continue with question number 5. Diagram 2 shows 6 letter cards R, O, H, A, and I. So, find number of different ways to arrange all the letters in a row without repetition. If number 1, there are no conditions. So, if no condition, that means you have to arrange all the 6 letters. So we can do either using the space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for the first letter, we can start with R, O, H, A, and I. We have 6 ways, right? We have 6 ways. We can start with R or O or H or A or N or I, right? Let's say we started with O. So O used up. So the balance, we have how many letters left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 ways, right? So let's say we start with the A. So now let's count how many letters left. For sure, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We have 4 letters. So let's say we choose I. So we have 4 ways. So we choose I. So no more I. And then we can continue using any 3 letters. Let's say we have R, we have the R, we have the H, we have the N. So let's say I choose N. So then left, for me to choose, I have 3 ways. So left 2. For the 2 space, I can use any one which is either R or H. So let's say I choose a H, but I have 2 ways to choose. And finally, the final one, I have only one choice, right? Which is, this one used already, which is R. So I have 1 way, which is R. This is how actually we arrange in order. So instead of do this way, we can say we arranging all the 6 letters, or we can say as 6 arranging 6, right? So the answer will be the same. All right, let's see, this is 20, and then this one 6 and 6, right? 36 times 20, so 720 ways, right? For the first one is 720 ways. And then how about B? For B, there is condition apply. The condition are the vowels and the consonants. Oh, this is B. Let's see number 2 first. The vowels have to be side by side. So we have how many vowels? This is vowels, and vowels. So we have 3 vowels. We can make sure all the 3 vowels together side by side. So it's either OAI. We can start with the OAI, OIA. We can have A, I, O, A, O, I. And we can start with the I, right? IOA, IAO. So actually, we are arranging 3 out of 3, which is 3P3, right? So there are 6 ways to arrange OAI, the vowels together. So we can see clearly there are 6, right? Here, isn't it 6? Okay, the 6 showing that they are side by side. vowels are side by side, right? So we have 6 ways to make sure the vowels are actually side by side. But after that, we need to make sure these 3 letters OAI, we take out these 3 letters and then we put in a box. Inside the box, we dump all the A, the O, and the I inside. Okay, then we seal the box. Okay, after that, we will arranging the box with this balance of the letters which are not vowels. R, H, N, and this one. The box consists of all the vowels which have 6 ways to arrange. So that means we are going to arrange 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 objects. So that means the way to arrange is 4P4. And then just now we have arranged the vowels, right? 3P3. So we can say that number of ways to arrange the vowels followed by, after we arranging them, they are together, we arrange the consonants and the vowels as one entity, one box. So that means the answer will be 3 factorial times 4 factorial, or you can press your calculator is 144 ways, right? It's 3 times 2. Okay, the 2 is, you can write 3 factorial times 4 factorials, or you can write as 3P3 times 4P3, 4P4, sorry. Or you can write as 3 times 2 times 1 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And finally, your answer must be in number, right? So you have 6 ways, 6 times 6, 36. 36 times 4 will be 144 ways, right? Alright, that is the answer for the number of vowels have to be side by sides. Okay, let's proceed to the next one, which is B. Let's read the question first. Let's understand the question. The vowels and consonants are alternate. Alternate. Vowels and consonants are alternate. What it means by alternate? After 2 new cards, A and H are inserted. Right, so this one become more challenging. It means what? It means that we have 2 new cards, which are A and then H. So now the number of cards will become 8 cards. And we have 2A and then we have 2H. We have identical letters, right? So we're going to arrange them so that they are actually alternate. What it means by alternate, let me explain to you. So let's say we have 8 cards. We draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? Okay, I'm going to arrange them alternately, whereby the sequence is vowels and consonants are alternates. That means if this is consonants, it must be followed by vowels, consonant followed by vowels, consonant followed by vowels, consonant followed by vowels, or I can say vowel followed by consonant, vowel followed by consonant, vowel followed by consonant, and vowel followed by consonant. So there are 2 possible ways, right? So let's start from the first one. The first one here is the second one. For the first one, how many ways? We have how many consonants? Alright, we have consonants which are, let's see, we have consonants. Our consonant, let me highlight in a blue color. Okay, we have R, right? R is a consonant. I use purple. We have N, and then we have the H. So that means we have 3 consonants, R and H. So meaning that If I'm going to fill up with the consonants first, okay, I'm going to fill up with the consonant first. I have how many ways here? I have 3 ways, followed by 2 ways, right? And then followed by 1 ways. Okay, and then okay, so for consonant we have 3 only. So for this one, we don't have consonants already, right? So we have vowel. Okay, so the consonants we have 3, and the vowel we have 5 vowels. So let me write the vowel first. These are vowels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to write the vowel first. Okay, we are going to have R, H, and then N, and then H. And this is for consonants. For vowel, we are going to have O, A, I. Alright, so let's say I choose consonant with the, I plug in the consonant will be R, H, and H, right? So then for consonants, settle already. Now vowel will be, we start with the O, we start with the A, we start with the A with the I. So this is the number of ways to arrange. Alternately, so this is consonant, 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 consonant. This is vowel, 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 vowel. So the number of ways to arrange a consonants will be, right, so let's see, we have 4, right? 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 for vowels. And then for consonants, we have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 also, right? But for vowels, we have identical object A, right? So for A, we have identical. So we need to divide by 2. This A. And then for consonants, we have identical H. So that means we need to divide by 2 factorial and 2 factorial for the identical object. Alright, but we have another possibility, which is we can start with the O, followed by R, followed by A, followed by H, followed by A, followed by N, and then followed by I and H, right? That means we can start from the different position. Just now is RO, now is OR. A, H, A, N, I, H. That means from this side or this side, we have 2 possibility. So that means we have to multiply by 2, right? So that means this answer have to be multiplied by 2 times 1 times 2 due to the different ways of arranging. So in short, the answer will be, the answer for this question will be 4 factorial over 2 factorial times 4 factorial over 2 factorial times 2. So the answer will be, let's see, the answer will be 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 2 over 2 times 2. So we can cancel out all the 2. So we have the answer, which is 4 times 3 right? 4 times 3 times 4 times 3 times 2. So answer is 12 times 12 times 2, which would be 144, 288 ways. Right? The answer will be 288 ways. So that's all my sharing on question number 5. Till then, bye bye and have